Jacob.
Jacob.
I'm gonna drool in my drink.
Hey, buddy. Are you sitting all by yourself? Maybe Daddy should be on both sides. There you go. It's a long drop down to the floor. Hey.
What are you doing? Look, look at the light.
Jacku.
You're sitting all by yourself, buddy. I'm not helping.
Look at you.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Look at you, bud.
See if we can get you a little more sturdy.
Whoa. He just kind of lays on his legs. Don't you, bud?
I got you, buddy.
Whoa.
I got you.
With his big smiles.
What's Uncle Dave doing?
What is he doing?
Nothing.
Nothing.
You want to try to step a little bit more? Here. Put your hands like this. See? And now you can lean. Lean right there. No.
He wants prop.
What do you think, bud?
Not really good.
Shouldn't have moved yet. You're doing better than me. You're doing good, though. That's how you start, kiddo. Gotta get up.
Yeah, you just gave him, you just had that icky look to his face.
You alright, bud? You okay?
Hi.
There you go. Push yourself up a little bit. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. Whoa. Dr. Pepper. 23 flavors. Some commercials, man, on the can. So nice, I'm like an idiot.
They don't have 23 flavors.
It does too.
Baby.
It's got 23 flavors of what?
I don't know. Different flavors in it. In the pot.
Wow. Diet Mountain Dew.
Hey, bud.
We're gonna have to Google it.
Jacku. He just wants some pop. Alright, I should probably stop this.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye bye.